Wala yun guys, tinesting ko lang. Testing lang yon, tulog lang muna ako ulit. Ayop na yan. Wala namang bear dyan eh. Oh. Nang yung kuryente yung nandyan. Gago! Okay game. Ito lang. Wala to sa akin. Press 1 to play game, press 2 for credits, press 3 for quit. Syempre. Okay ang ganda ng ano sound effects niya. Turnvex Games. Please note, Mind Eyes contains flashing lights. If flashing lights affects any of your medical condition, please avoid this game. May dagdag na ako salita. Hindi na pala kasama.
Wake up.
Mag-make up daw.
Please.
Make up.
Why aren't you waking up?
Ang gala mo, kakatulog lang. Gusto mang...
This is Michael here speaking for CCO News at 11 p.m. Just as yesterday, the weather has not lightened up much at all. In fact, it seems to have gone colder.
Just ko lang yun.
Windows remain covered with thick frost. And
Brightness 999.
Southwest are losing power. I'm sure all hope they are safe. In other news, word was released that there was a murder taking place, which police are saying, let me see here. So a woman was killed in her home.
Ang galing niya mag-report. Hindi niya kabisado. Magre-report ka. Let me see. Sabi niya dun sa radio. Baliw.
Giving him the time to get away, of course. But honestly, I just don't know.
What was that?
That's it for now.
What was that?
See you guys in a few hours.
What was
Till
that?
then, get a load of this wonderful jazz. I'll see you all and have a wonderful night.
Hoy, moving. Interact. Ano yung interact ko dito, bro? Hoy, nawala. Ano ba, may ano? Ano to? Pinatay ko yan. Ang lupit mo! High-tech yung switch, may ano. Uy. Yung ina mo, ano yun? High-tech na may switch dito. Ano ba to guys? O, sinara ko muna. Ina kasi hindi ako dyan dadaan eh. O. Etong ilaw. High-tech guys, may LED na, nailaw siya. So, try natin lumabas dito. Interaction. Ano meron dyan? Hinina mo, wala akong flashlight. Ano ba yan? Kumakatok po biling yelo guys. May kita ako bro. Ayun, merong ano. Ilaw. Tangina ang bahay to. Ang angas naman ng bahay na ito. Laki. Pero yung kwarto niya. Ano yun? May teddy bear dun ah. Pa. Inang yan. Nawala ng ilaw bro. Hoy! Saan ba ako? Tangina, bilis na mamatay nung ano, posporo. Basta dyan. Ba't kasi ang laki ng bahay mo, bro? Pero wala namang ano, wala kang electric fan. Wala ka ring ano, mansion ata to eh. A bear used by a young to fall into a deep slumber. Whether good or bad times, the teddy bear will always be by your side. Collecting all 5 bears will drastically affect your overall score in the end. Nanto, mahilig ka sa bear, bro. You're a bear lover. Ganda, mahal to. Siguro 1.2 million yan. Nakakita, yan na yan, binili yun sa... Ano? Hindi ko alam, saan niya binili yan. Saan ang pamili yan. Paano ko maano to? Wala namang ilaw. Oh. Interact. Wala rin. One, two, three, four. 111. Mamalay ko sa'yo. Ko-collect daw ako ng 5 bear. Asan ba yung 5 bear? Ayun yan, di na matapos to. Ano na? Asan yung mga bear? Wala namang bear eh. Mo! Wala yun guys, tinesting ko lang.
How was that?
Testing lang yon, tulog lang muna ako ulit. Ayop na yan. Wala namang bear dyan eh. Oh. Nang yung kuryente yung nandyan. Baliw. Pinapahanap mo sa akin yung bear, di naman makita. Ayoko na ito. Ayoko na guys. Kasi wala, hindi ko rin na makita yung bear. Gusto ko sanang tapusin eh. Kaso hindi naman Oy, poko nang ina mo, town trip ka pang ganyan. Hindi naman ako nadadala sa ganyan. Ayoko na yan. Joke na nun. Hindi naman nakakatakot po. Kanangina eh. Pinapahanap yung bear, hindi ko naman mahanap. Inopen ko na lahat ng pinto. Kung alam nyo, ituro nyo sa akin. Ayoko muna yan laruin. Baduy, walang dating.